How's it going, everybody? This is Daniel Bussius, and I'm going to talk to you about Google Voice. So Google Voice is a Google product. It's free. As long as you have a Gmail account, you can actually get Google Voice. And they basically taken Google Hangouts and meshed it in with Google Voice. And so what that gives you the ability to do is actually make phone calls for free from your computer. They also have an app, so you can actually make those phone calls using Wi-Fi from your mobile device too. And you can also set up your own voicemail account. So you can text message, you can send, receive text messages, send, receive multimedia messages. You can also have your own voicemail account, and you can have your own phone number, and you can set restrictions to when people can call and all that kind of stuff. So if you have a small business and you're looking for a way to have a separate phone number for your business rather than like your personal number, then Google Voice just might work for you. And so what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to show you. We're going to do a live call together to show you how cool this is. And just I know you while you're watching this, you can't see this, but I'm going to actually call from my laptop. Okay, so I'm not going to use my phone. And this right here, as I'm bringing it over, this is what Google Voice looks like right here. So I can actually click and make a new conversation, and then I can actually type in the phone number. So let's go ahead and let me try this. So bear with me here real quick. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dial a phone number. I'm using my my keyboard. I'm going to move this out of the way for confidentiality purposes. So hang on real quick. All right, let's see here. And so there. And 5, 3. Okay. So I'm going to start dialing now. All right, let's see if he answers.
Jeremiah.
Hey, Jeremiah, this is Daniel. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good. Hey, I'm recording this for my new free blog post showing how Google Voice works. So I decided to call you. So is that okay that you're getting recorded?
Yes.
All right, awesome. So for all you folks that are going to be watching this, Jeremiah is an Infusionsoft regional manager. He's a absolute rock star, and he helps me in my business to grow. And so thank you, Jeremiah. I actually was showing everybody how to use Google Voice. So I appreciate you being the guinea pig and answering your phone.
No problem. And I hope you got Dick in there too, my little 11-month-old son. So bless you guys. Get to know the band, and have a great weekend.
All righty. Take care, Jeremiah. Thank you.
Later.
And that's it. That's as easy and simple as it is.